Okay, good evening, students. Welcome to Naran B College crash course program. Now, today test paper conducted based on chapter continuity. Now, based on that, we are discussing that question paper continuity concept. Coming to in that question number 1. What is the question number 1 is given? F of x equal to given two set of conditions. One is a 1 minus root 2 sin x by pi minus 4x. X not equal to pi by 4. Next, the given condition is A if x equal to pi by 4. Is continuous at pi by 4, then what is A value they're asking. Here less than greater than is not there. That's why when f is continuous, we will take the condition limit extends to A. What is A? Nothing but pi by 4 f of x is equal to f of pi by 4. Now here limit extends to pi by 4. What is f of x? We are taking 1 minus root 2 sin x by pi minus 4x. F of pi by 4 at pi by 4, what is the value is there? A. Now in this, if we directly substitute in the left side, we get 0 by 0 form. When 0 by 0 form, we need to apply L hospital rule to get into determinant form. What is L hospital rule? Derivating numerator and denominator separately. That is, limit extends to pi by 4. Derivating of 1, 0 minus root 2 sin x derivative is cos x. Pi derivative 0 minus 4x derivative is minus 4 is equal to A. Now this minus gets cancelled. Now I'll substitute x value pi by 4. That is root 2. What is cos pi by 4 is? Cos pi by 4 clearly will get 1 by root 2. Is 1 by root 2 whole divided by 4 is equal to A. Root 2 gets cancelled. Finally, what is A value? A is clearly will get what? 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 means is clearly which option? Option D is the correct one. Next, coming to question number 2. In this question number 2, we need to verify given function. What is f of x is given? The f of x is tan x by x. If x is not equal to 0, 1 x equal to 0. Now we need to check where f of x is continuous and differentiable at 0. We need to find out. Now in this first clearly we need to check for continuous at x equal to 0. Now at x equal to 0 we need to check continuity. I'm taking here less than greater than is not there. That's why we'll take basic definition of continuous. Limit extends to 0, f of x value will find out. That is limit extends to 0. What is f of x value? Tan x by x. We know direct formula, limit extends to 0, tan x by x value 1. Clearly f of 0 at x equal to 0 also what is given? 1. Limit value and function value both are equal. That's why clearly we can write f is continuous. Continuous at x equal to 0. Next, we need to check for differentiation. It is differentiable or not. We need to check at 0. Now, how to check differentiability at x equal to 0? For that, we need to take left hand derivative, LHD. Left hand derivative we are taking. Left hand derivative, that is limit h tends to 0 minus f of a minus h, a nothing but 0 minus h minus f of 0 by minus h. That is limit h tends to 0 minus f of 0 minus h nothing but minus h only. We need to substitute in that place of x minus h I am taking. by f of 0. At 0 already we know 1 by minus h. Now this minus will comes to denominator, minus minus becomes plus. Limit h tends to 0 minus tan of minus h is minus tan h by minus h minus 1 whole divided by minus h. Here minus minus gets cancelled. From that, by taking LCM, what is LCM? Tan h minus taking LCM is h by h into h is h square. Now by directly taking this one, it is getting 0 by 0 form only. Now again you are applying here L hospital rule. Okay, to find LHD value, derivative of tan, a limit is there, same limit, h tends to 0 minus. Now, while applying L hospital rule, derivative numerator and denominator separately. Tan derivative secant square h derivative 1 by h square derivative 2h. Clearly, we know that secant square h derivative is secant square h minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1 nothing but tan square theta by 2h. Clearly, in that, if you verify with the limit application, tan h by h, 1 tan h by h, we can take 1 more tan h by remaining 2 is there. This whole value becomes what here? This whole value becomes 1. This will become 0. Total 0 will get. Similarly, if we take RHD also same manner, right hand derivative also will get what? 0. Same method we will do. Formula will apply. Left hand derivative equal to right hand derivative. Therefore, f is also differentiable. That's why here given f of x function, it is both continuous and differentiable at x equal to 0. That's why it is option C is the correct one. Now next, coming to question number 3. Question number 3 is same. They given f is continuous at 1 and f is differentiable at 1. What is f of x? First take f of x. They given a into x square plus b. B not equal to 0 clearly. X is less than or equal to 1. So one more equation is given, that is bx square plus ax plus c when x greater than 1. F is continuous first. Okay, f is continuous at x equal to 1 and also differentiable. Less than greater than is, that's why we'll take LHL equal to RHL. LHL, that means limit extends to 1 minus. 1 minus means what? At x less than 1, what is the function is present? Ax square plus b. RHL, limit extends to 1 plus x greater than 1, what is the function is present? Bx square plus ax plus c. Now substitute x value 1 in that, a into 1 a plus b is equal to, here also 1 substitute, b into 1 square b plus a plus c. Now in this b cancel, a also cancel. From this c value we got clearly 0. Next, now it is also differentiable. That's why we need to differentiate f of x. Now what is the derivative of f of x? Will get f dash of x. Then you will take left hand derivative equal to right hand derivative. Here a into x square derivative 2x, b derivative 0. Total 2ax when x is less than or equal to 1. b into x square derivative 2x, total 2bx plus ax derivative a, c derivative 0. Total, this is the value will come. When it is a left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. From this we can find the remaining values. Left hand derivative. At the left hand side, what is the values are there? That is limit extends to 1 minus. At x less than 1, derivative value is what? 2ax. In the right hand side, limit extends to 1 plus. What is the function is present? 2bx plus a. Substitute x value a in that. Sorry, 1. 2a into 1, 2a. 2b 1 into 1, 2b plus a. Now a value is in this side, what will get? 2a minus a is equal to 2b. Here finally what conclusion we can give? C is equal to 0 and a is equal to 2b. Therefore, option A is the correct one. Next, question number 4 also same model you can do. Just take the conditions LHL equal to RHL, we will get A value. Fourth question easy you can do. Fifth question, they given f of x. F of x, what they given? 1 plus mod sin x power a power mod sin x, where minus 5 or 6 less than x less than 0. Next they given b when x equal to 0. So next one is given e power tan 2x by 3x. Tan 2x by tan 3x when 0 less than x less than pi by 6. It is clearly continuous at x equal to 0 given. That's why we'll same we will take LHL value. LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0. Clearly why you are taking, we need to find a value and b value, both required. Now left hand limit extends to 0 minus when x less than 0. For negative values sin x is negative, that's why mod sin x also becomes negative. This total will becomes minus sin x power a by mod sin x becomes minus. Total it is minus a by sin x is equal to RHL. Limit extends to 0 plus more than 0 or x greater than 0 or 0 less than x, meaning same. What is the function is present? E power tan 2x by tan 3x. F of 0 at 0 what is given value? B. Now here first it is clearly satisfies 1 power infinity form. Listen directly, if you substitute 0, 1 minus sin 0, 0 minus a by sin 0, 0, anything by 0 is infinity will come. Now what is 1 power infinity form? Now we can write this complete value. This is f of x, this is g of x. Now then 1 power infinity form means e power limit extends to 0 minus f of x power g of x means g of x into f of x minus 1. We need to change like this. It's all we given in the already limits formulas. That's why you can remember easily. Here limit extends to 0 plus e power tan 2x. Now we have tan x by x form. For this 2x dividing and multiplying. Similarly for tan 3x also dx value divide and multiply. Now this whole value with limit 1, this also 1 will get. Here xx gets cancelled is equal to b. Now here from this, here also in next step sin x also gets cancelled, minus into minus plus, by applying value remaining only a power remaining what here limit, if you take limit of this one is 1, remaining only e power 2 by 3 is left, is equal to b. By comparing first and second condition, if you compare these two conditions, you will get a value clearly how much? A value 2 by 3. If you compare first and last, because the given relation between a and b also. Now what is the e power a is equal to b is there. Now when e power a is equal to b, this we can change into logarithmic. Log b to the base e. These two are the required conditions for this. That is clearly which option? That is option A is the correct one. Next, coming to question number 6, it is very easy. You can do easily. Question number 7 also easy, you can do. Coming to question number 8. What is the question number 8 is given? F of x is given x into mod x. Now we need to find where it is differentiable. Okay, when mod x is involved, we need to define this function because mod x nature we know. When x less than 0, mod x becomes minus x into minus x, that is minus x square. When x greater than or equal to 0, mod x becomes plus x, total plus x square will get. Now, if you differentiate this, f dash of x is equal to derivative of minus x square minus 2x. When x less than 0, derivative of x square is 2x. X greater than or equal to 0. Now, if you take LHD at where? 0. Now, at left hand side, at less than 0, what is the derivative function? Minus 2x. That's why this is minus 2 into 0. What will get? 0. Similarly, right hand derivative. We can do shortcut like this also. What greater than 0, what is the derivative function? 2x. 2 into 0, that is 0 will get. Clearly, here at the point of define, it is clearly differentiable. That's why at remaining values also clearly differentiable. At the point where it is defined at 0, remaining at all points, it is clearly differentiable. Therefore, f is differentiable for all real numbers. For every real number, it will be differentiable. Real numbers means we can take capital R, or we can take in the open interval minus infinity comma plus infinity. That's why option A is the correct one. Next, coming to question number 9. Question number 9 is also where it is differentiable. We need to find set of points. F of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Now to find this one, first to differentiate this function, f dash of x is equal to sine inverse derivative, what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, inner function, what is inner function? 2x by 1 plus x square. We had to apply u by v formula. V into 2x derivative 2 minus 2x into u into, now u, what is u? 2x into v dash. Now 1 plus x square derivative is what? 2x again, you will get. Divided by v square, 1 plus x square whole square. By taking LCM, what is LCM? 1 plus x square whole square. Now while coming out of the root, it becomes only 1 plus x square. Now in inside root, what will happen? You will see 1 plus x square whole square minus 4x square. If you multiply 2 inside, 2x square plus 2 minus 4x square. 2 into 1, 2 will get, that's the remaining denominator is what? 1 plus x square whole square. Now one term gets cancelled. Now remaining, what numerator is there? 2x square minus 4x, total 2 minus 2x square divided by, this is a plus b whole square minus 4ab. It clearly becomes a minus b whole square. It is 1 minus x square whole square. By denominator, what remaining left here? That is one more, 1 plus x square. But by removing modulus, it is a square root, it can be either plus or minus, that's why you're taking modulus value here. Now here f dash of x is equal to, take 2 common in numerator, remaining 1 minus x square by removing root can be either plus or minus, that's why I'm taking modulus, into what remaining left here? 1 plus x square. Where this f dash of x not defined, if this term is 0, now f dash of x is not defined. Wherever the function is not defined, at that all points, it is not a differentiable, because we are talking about differentiation. For example, if you take a function where the function is discontinuous, where that function is not defined at a set of values of x, at that values function discontinuous, but this is which one? Derivative of the function. That's why where this is not defined, wherever denominator, if you got 0, denominator 0, if you got anything by 0, what will get? It is not defined. That's why f dash of x clearly not defined when, if you take 1 minus x square, clearly if you take 0. Okay, that's why that not defined points we are not including for that. x is not equal to, or where it is not defined at x plus or minus 1. That's why at these points, clearly f is not differentiable. Therefore, from all real numbers, we need to remove these 2 points. Finally, we can write f is not differentiable at all real numbers except at minus 1 and plus 1. Therefore, which option is correct for this? That is option B is the correct one. Okay, students, next question number 10 you can do easily, just applying L'Hospital rule, or by directly using formula also you can do. Next, question number 11 also L'Hospital rule only you can do. If you want, I can do now 11th question. Question number 11, same, the function f of x is given. The function f of x is equal to, what the given function, root 2 cos x minus 1 divided by cot x minus 1 if x is not equal to pi by 4, a if x equal to pi by 4. It is continuous at clearly value, continuous function is given. So same here, LHL, RHL is not given, less than, greater than, not there. That's why when f is continuous, we'll take a basic definition. Limit extends to pi by 4 f of x. What is f of x is there? Root 2 cos x minus 1 by cot x minus 1 is equal to f of pi by 4. F of pi by 4 nothing but at x equal to pi by 4, what is the function value? K. If you directly substitute here pi by 4, root 2 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel, you get 1 minus 1, 0. Cot 45, 1. That's why clearly coming which form? 0 by 0 form. That's why we'll apply clearly which form, which rule? L'Hospital rule we are applying to get into determinant form. For that, how to apply L'Hospital rule? Already we explained 2 models now. Now root 2 into cos x derivative minus sin x, that is minus root 2 sin x, 1 derivative 0. Cot x derivative is minus cosecant square x, 1 derivative 0, that is equal to k. Now here clearly 1 gets cancelled, 0 minus minus cancel. Now here directly I am substituting the limit, I can substitute now directly, no problem. After applying L'Hospital rule, substitute x value pi by 4, remaining what left here? Root 2 sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2 divided by cosecant 45 is root 2 whole square is equal to k. Here root 2 gets cancelled, square root gets cancelled. Finally, k value how much you will get? 1 by 2 is the answer. That is option B is the correct one. Next, question number 12. 12 and 13 similar models. Now I'll do 12th one, 13 you can do. Solution already, just you refer once. 12th question, what they given? The function f of x equal to a1 into x minus pi whole square minus 1, x less than or equal to pi, a2 cos x, when x greater than pi is twice differentiable, then find the order pair k1 comma k2. Now when the given function is differentiable, means that function must be continuous. That's why f is clearly continuous also. Continuous at where? X equal to pi. Simple, you will take LHL equal to RHL. LHL means what you will take here? Limit extends to pi minus, at x less than pi, what is the function? k1 into x minus pi whole square minus 1 is equal to RHL. Limit extends to pi plus or more than pi, what is the function? k2 cos x. If you substitute x value pi in this value becomes 0, minus 1 is equal to k2 into cos pi, cos 180 is minus 1. Now this minus 1 is equal to minus k2, minus minus gets cancelled, k2 value we got clearly 1. Now it is differentiable, quite differentiable, that's why first I will find out f dash of x. 2 times differentiate k1 into x minus pi whole square. X square derivative is 2x, that is 2 into x minus pi. In our function x minus pi derivative is 1, again minus 1 derivative 0. No issue is in this, x less than or equal to pi. Now k2 into cos x derivative minus sin x, that's why it is minus k2 sin x when x greater than pi. Now twice differentiable means one more time I will differentiate f double dash of x. Now 2 k1 x minus pi derivative clearly 1 will get when x less than or equal to pi, minus k2 sin x derivative is cos x. Again differentiable means what here? The left hand derivative terms is equal to right hand derivative terms is possible. The values were same. What you will take left hand derivative means limit extends to pi minus, at less than pi what is the function is there? 2k1 right hand side derivative limit extends to pi plus what is the function? Minus k2 cos x. Now here to substitute here no x value, that's why it is clearly 2k1 only. X value pi substitute, that is minus k2 into cos pi value minus 1. 2k1 is equal to k2 value 1 minus into minus plus total 1. K1 is what? 1 by 2. Finally, they're asking order pair K1 comma K2. K1 value how much? Clearly 1 by 2. K2 value 1. Clearly option A is the correct one. Next, question number 13, we can do the same manner. Coming to 14th one. 14th one, I am not writing question again. F is continuous at x equal to 0, then A is A plus 2B value we need to find out. For that we need A value and B value. Now already less than greater than is, that's why the given F is continuous. That's why first left hand limit value, LHL value I will find out first. First find out separately, then you will equate. What is the function is there at less than 0? Sine of A plus 2x plus sin x by x is a value is there. If you directly substitute, you will get L hospital rule you can apply. That's one way. Otherwise, we can do by using formula also. Now sin divide with x value, sin A plus 2 of x by x. Next one is sin x by x. Sin limit extends to sin x by x is 1 we know. Sin mx by x is m you will get. Here what is m value? A plus 2. That's why A plus 2 will get, plus here 1 will get. Total LHL value how much? A plus 3. Next RHL value, left hand limit. Limit extend is 0 plus. Greater than 0 function is x plus 3x square whole power 1 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 by x power 4 by 3. Directly applying it is a 0 by 0 form will come. I don't apply here only L hospital rule. I can take common x power 1 by 3 from numerator. Here also if you take x common, it comes outside, it becomes x power 1 by 3, remaining 1, 3x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1. X power 4 by 3 I can write x power 1 by 3 into x. X power 1 by 3, x power 1 by 3 gets cancelled. Now also if you substitute 0, I'll get which one? Clearly 0 by 0 form only will get. That's why here we will do now one small thing. We can apply what here? L hospital rule we can apply. Now otherwise we have direct formula is there. That is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax by, or this method is not required. You go for the L hospital rule only, best way. Okay. Now, L hospital rule, same manner. Derivative numerator and denominator separately. Then we are substituting limit. Now here, this is like x power n formula. 1 by 3, 1 plus 3x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus 2 by 3 into inner function 1 derivative 0, 3x derivative 3, minus 1 derivative 0 by x derivative 1. Now this 3 gets cancelled. If you substitute x value 0 in this, 1 plus 3 into 0, 0. So 1 plus 0, 1, 1 for anything is 1. So here RHL clearly we got what? 1. F of 0 at x equal to 0, how much value is there? You see in the question B is there. Now F is clearly continuous. F is continuous. That's why we'll take LHL equal to RHL equal to F of 0. Don't think it is lengthy, but it's a JE models. It's very, very important. You easily can do just by MMM formula. RHL is 1, F of 0 is B. If you compare these two, you get A value is minus 2, B value 1. They're asking which value? A plus 2B value. A is minus 2, B is 1, 2 into 1, 2, plus 2 minus 2, 0. That is option C is the correct one. Next. Question number 15 ma. F and G are differentiable functions on R such that F circle G is identity function for some A, B or belongs to R. G dash of A. G dash of A, how much is given? 5. E of A is B is given. We need to find F dash of B. But the given one statement, F circle G is identity function. What is identity function nature? F circle G of X. Domain what will take? The range also same. Okay, now this is identity function. This F circle G of X I can write F of G of X is equal to X. Now I am differentiating this one. First order function F derivative F dash of G of X into inner function derivative G dash of X is equal to X derivative what? 1. Now I'll replace X value is A. Now what you will get? F dash of G of A into G dash of A is equal to 1. F dash of G of A is what is there? B. G dash of A is 5 is there, is equal to 1. They're asking F dash of B only. That's why 5 send right side, that is 1 by 5 is the answer. That is option A is the correct one. Next, question number 16. Question number 16, they given F of 1 value is 1. F dash of 1 is 3. The derivative of given function. What? F of X plus F of X whole square. At X equal to 1 only they are asking. Okay, differentiate this one first. First order function F. Derivative is F dash. Remaining F of X. Now this function we need to differentiate. Now again what will get? F dash of F of X. Again now this inner function F dash of X plus is complete our derivative. Now this F of X whole square means what will get? 2 F of X into F of X derivative, what will get? F dash of X. Now I am replacing X value is 1 in that. Now what will get here? F dash of F of, if you substitute 1 here, F of 1 is nothing but what? 1 only. F dash of F of 1 is 1. F dash of 1. 2 into F of 1 into F dash of 1. F dash of F of 1. F of 1 nothing but 1 only. Here F dash of 1 nothing but 3 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 3. Again F dash of 1 3 will get. 3 into here 9 you will get. 2 3s are 6. 3 9s are 27 plus 6. Total 33 is the answer. That is option. Which option is the correct? Option A is the correct one. Same lineup. You can go to option 17th also. You can do 18th also similar model ma. You check the continuity at 1, at 3, at 5. You can get easily. Coming to question number 19. Question number 19. F of x is equal to what they given? X minus 1 power 1 by 2 minus x. If x is not equal to 2. A if x equal to 2. Same here, this is the continuous of 2, we need to find k value. Less than, greater than, not there in the function. That's why take basic definition, limit x tends to 2 f of x. What is f of x? X minus 1 power 1 by 2 minus x. F of 2 nothing but k. Formula I'm not writing. Limit x tends to 2 f of x equal to f of 2 will get the values directly I'm taking. If you take directly 2 here, 2 minus 1, 1 power 1 minus 2 minus 2, 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Clearly in which form? 1 power infinity form. Now 1 power infinity form, how to write? Limit e power limit x tends to a. This is f of x power g of x means g of x into f of x minus 1. E power limit x tends to 2. X minus 2 are total. X minus 2 by, I'll take minus common in denominator. This also becomes x minus 2 is equal to k. Here x minus 2 gets cancelled. What remaining? E power minus 1 is equal to k. So k value is what? E power minus 1. That is option C is the correct one. Next, last one, question number 20. Now question number 20, the function, what they given, same, it is differentiable at 1. What they given function? Minus x. X is less than 1. A plus cos inverse of x plus b 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. It is clearly differentiable is given. When the function is differentiable, it is also continuous. Therefore, first of all, f is must be continuous. Where x equal to 1. Here we need to find the value of a by b. The ratio between a and b we need to find out. First here LHL equal to RHL I am taking. Limit x tends to 1 minus, less than 1, what is the function? Minus x. Limit x tends to 1 plus. More than 1, what is the function is there? A plus cos inverse of x plus b is there. 3 plus x value 1 here, this total minus 1. A plus cos inverse of 1 plus b you will get. From this, by interchanging, minus a same that side. From this you will get cos inverse of 1 plus b is equal to minus a minus 1. This take it as equation number 1. Now here next, differentiating the function. Left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. F of x is clearly differentiable. Differentiable means what here? We'll differentiate left hand side and right hand side. LHD is equal to RHD. LHD means what here? Limit x tends to 1 minus derivating of minus x, that is minus 1. RHD, limit x tends to 1 plus. 1 plus means what? More than 1, this is the function. We need to differentiate this. A derivative 0. Cos inverse x derivative is what? We learn in PU also. That is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. What is x? Nothing but x plus b whole square. The inner function derivative will get 1 only, no issue in that. Now, by comparing both sides, minus minus gets cancelled. Now this is the limit substitute minus 1. Here limit x tends to Here also substitute limit ma. Limit means in the place of x take 1. It's clearly minus 1 by root of 1 plus, not 1 plus, is a 1 minus 1 plus b whole square. Here 1 gets cancelled, cross multiply. Square root of 1 minus of 1 plus b whole square is equal to 1. By squaring on both sides, expand this 1 minus of 1 plus b whole square equal to 1. Here 1 gets cancelled. From this 1 plus b is equal to 0. B is equal to how much? Minus 1. After getting b is minus 1, this value substituted in equation number 1 from first equation. B value minus 1 na? Left side cos inverse of 1 minus 1, that is 0, is equal to minus a minus 1. When it is minus a minus 1, cos inverse of 0, where cos 0 at which angle? Pi by 2 is equal to minus a minus 1. Now I need a by b na values. By taking a by b values, what are the terms we will get in this case? Okay. Now I'll interchange both. A is equal to minus 1 minus pi by 2. Now I will take common minus in this and take LCM also. 2 plus pi by 2. 2 plus pi by 2. Now I'll divide a and b. By dividing a and b, minus minus gets cancelled. What will get finally? 2 plus pi by 2 or pi plus 2 by 2. That is option A is the correct one. Now remaining what I left, those questions you can refer the answers and complete. Thank you.